Bow to the mountains, plains and the river flow. Let your ancestors know that you are here to stay. Wash in the sun's light, casting shadows on your birthright. Tell your ancestors that you are here to stay. It's the land that governs the man. Without it, we got nothing. Our essence ingrained in the snow. Don't degrade me, I ain't no westernized Eskimo. For everything seems to be a common thing. Can we have a talk instead? The native to the corporate head. We are the guardians, protect for the future generations. We are the land, we are the sea, we are the First Nations. My brothers, my sisters, to the north of the turtle.
Viva America.
I hear you, I feel you, I see you. Same shit happened to me too. We were beaten for speaking our native tongue, while you were sent to schools of elimination.
Find the roots, we find the cause, separates us till we are to fall. There ain't nothing more dangerous
than the native man who knows who he is.
For centuries,
They pushed us,
but we're remaining to the end of days. I am the land is me. I am the First Nation.
We must fight till kingdom come. Shamans pray on the moon and the sun chase away.
Just away.
Babylon, yes we will.
Yes, we will
overcome. It's the land that governs the man. Without it, we got nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing. Bow to the mountains, plains in the river flow. Let your ancestors know that you are here to stay. Wash in the sun's light, casting shadows on your birthright. Tell your ancestors that you ain't going away. 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 That you